Do I have foundation on my shirt?
Screen falling off the door hanging off the hinges. My feet are still sore, my back's on the fringes. We tore up the walls, we slept on couches.
Hey guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do the one brand makeup challenge. If you guys watched my haul recently from Morphe, you'll probably realize that I'm gonna be using Morphe products today. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. I wanted to do a one brand makeup challenge or one brand makeup tutorial. I don't know. I do have some products already from Morphe before, but it was limited to basically just eyeshadow palettes. I did have a face palette and then a couple brushes, literally like just 2 brushes. Some of them are in my freelance kit, so I won't even grab those. I think I have like the eyeshadow pomade and then that's about it. So everything else I'm kind of using from the haul. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, I did have a sponge from like a while ago, so thank God I had this because otherwise I literally have 2 brushes. So we're gonna start off with not a primer because I don't have a primer from Morphe. I didn't bother buying it because like it's okay if I don't use a primer. It's not too bad. But I will start off with the foundation. So this is in shade F260. And this is the first time I'm trying this product. So hopefully it's good. And hopefully that I got the correct shade because I just guessed like buying it online. It smells kind of weird. Like, it smells like foundation. Because I'm going to use a sponge. I think the shade's pretty good. Because I'm going to use a sponge, I'm going to use my finger actually to distribute the product. Because if I use the sponge to like take the product off my hand and then apply it on my face, I'm gonna run out of product. Because here's the one thing about makeup sponges is that it eats up a lot of the product. So yeah, I try not to do that, but it's so good with blending. But I actually haven't used a makeup sponge or a beauty blender in a while, now that I think about it. I've been using my e.l.f. foundation brush for like everything. I did get a concealer, but I got it in the purpose of using it as a highlight. So I'm just gonna add a little bit in the area that I feel like I would have needed to conceal. So I have a pimple right here, so I'm gonna put some there. You know, and my hair's kind of crazy, I know. Okay. So that's that. So I got the concealer in the shade C215. I don't know if the C makes it like a cool tone shade. I don't know. Oh. This kind of blends in with my skin tone, so it's not really a highlight color, but let's see how it looks. And I only grabbed one. I only grabbed one concealer shade because I didn't want to waste money getting a contour shade because that's something I can do with powder. Oh my god, I don't even have a contour powder. I don't think so. I'll just have to use an eyeshadow shade. Now I'm going to use their powder. So this is the Filter Effect Finishing Powder. And I got it in the shade #filter 5 or filter number 5. So looks like this. It does come with a sponge applicator, but yeah, I'm not gonna use that. So this is one of 2 or maybe one of 3 Morphe brushes that I already own prior to my haul. I'm just gonna use that to apply the powder to set my foundation. I think the shade's pretty good, and like I said, everything that I bought, I just guessed like what shade I am from like the description. I think a description helps you more over than the color that they show on the website. I usually go for like the light, no not light, like, or light medium-ish neutral. I like to go for a neutral undertone. I am on the warmer side, but I don't like using a warm foundation or concealer or powder because I feel like it makes me look too orange. So these are the two things that I've already owned prior to my haul. I did have a Morphe eyebrow brush, and that comes with a spoolie. And then I also have the pomade, and this is in Biscotti. I think I used it from my freelance kit, but I took it out and then now I'm using it, so I don't have to like use a spatula to take product off. I can dip directly into the pot. I don't remember if I like the pomade though, but honestly, my favorite pomade is like the Ardell. I feel like I'm not used to like using pomades anymore. I haven't used pomades in so long since I run out of the Ardell, because since then I've been using pencils. The one thing I know about pomades is that a little goes a long way. Ugh, I hate doing my brows. But then at the same time, I feel like I like doing brows than other people. But I don't know. That's just me. I'm weird. Next, we're going to do eyeshadow. I don't know what eyeshadow palette I'm going to use because I did have like maybe 4 or 5 palettes already from before. But I think I want to try one of the newer ones I've got. So this is the 35V. It looks like this. Ooh, yeah, I think I'm gonna use this. You know what? The reason I bought this is because of like the friggin' blue shades here. It's so pretty, so I think I might have to go with like those blue shades. Thank God I have a blending brush from Morphe from before. That's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. I think it has like one. I probably use it once. So I'm gonna take a transition shade. I think I'll go with this one here. I think I'm gonna do like a glitter smoky eye. So, and then I'm gonna take this blue shade here. I feel like the shades are not blending as easily as I thought they would, but let's just keep working at it. I'm gonna take this glitter blue shade here, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Ooh, that's pretty. It's absolutely beautiful. And then I'm just gonna use more of that blue contour shade or blue crease shade. No, it's okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit more glitter to intensify it again because I feel like it kind of got washed out. And then I'm just gonna take an eyebrow highlight shade, this color right here. Next, we're gonna use eyeliner. So yeah, I was really excited that they had their eyeliner on sale because I was so mad about my Tarte eyeliner. If this is a good eyeliner and it's cheaper, I might switch to this. I mean, the Tarte is $27. This is $12. So, well, it was I think 16, but it was on sale for 12. So let's see how it works. Oh. Seems pretty good. I think I like it. It is felt tip, it says, but it is like a soft felt, kind of like the Tarte. I know the Stila and like the Kat Von D one, it's like super stiff, which one is brand new. I feel like I'm poking myself in the eye. So I kind of like how this is softer. I might have a new favorite eyeliner. I mean, it's definitely comparable to Tarte, but the fact that it's only $12, or that I got it for $12, like that's such a good deal. I love it. I love it. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna finish up my eyeshadow. Oh no, I don't have a brush for that. We're gonna have to use the fluffy brush again. I'm just gonna use, actually no, I'm gonna put a little bit of the brown shade first. Oh my god, this is gonna be messy. I can't put this in with a fluffy brush. Ah! Oh my god, I think I'm just gonna leave it because... Or maybe I'll use the other brush. I'll use the eyebrow brush. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the blue shade. Next we're going to do our face. So like I said, I had a face palette from before. this is what it looks like. I don't have a contour shade, so I don't have a brush for that, so I'll have to use the same brush. I'm gonna take an eyeshadow shade. Okay, I have the 15B palette, and this is what it looks like. I think I can use the shade over here as a contour shade, so I'm gonna take that and just, let's try it here first. Ooh. It looks like a harsh contour. It's okay if I don't have like oh my goodness. I mean, it's like impossible to do with like a freaking fluffy brush like this. I'm not even gonna bother with my nose because yeah, this is just gonna be a disaster. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of my forehead to warm up my face, and I think that's it. So for blush, I'm gonna have to use this face palette over here. Like I said, I don't have another brush, so I'll probably just use I think I'll use this shade over here. That's pretty. It's just so hard to like use this brush to apply it because yeah, I have no control. Oh wow, look at this one. Oh jeez. I'm so annoyed. I don't like this. Highlighter. Okay, let's just see if there's anything in this palette here that I could use as a highlight. Okay, so I think I can use this one here. It's a pretty highlight shade. It should be a pretty highlight shade. I'm just gonna use my finger. Maybe a little too much. It has, I feel like it's like a dense shadow, that it's not even like just shimmer. It has like small like glitter particles in it, but I think we're pretty much done on the face. Oh no, I don't have lash glue though. I think that's the only thing that I have to, well, does Morphe even have lash glue? Maybe not, so I think I might be okay. I did pick up these lashes. They were on sale for $5, so I'm like, you know what, I might as well try it. This one is in Icon, and I think this is like the middle like level for like in terms of like how dramatic they are, and I'm ruining my nails already. I just painted them. This looks pretty dramatic. So yeah, pro tip, you always have to measure the lashes. You can't just assume that the lashes fit because obviously everyone has different size eyes. Personally, I always have to trim my lashes because I have small Asian eyes. I feel like I'm gonna like this lashes. I'm definitely gonna rewear these lashes. I think they're very pretty. Not that I have anywhere to wear them anyways. I just realized, blue eyeshadow, I'm wearing a blue shirt. Just realized, I don't have mascara. This is why, because I don't wear mascara, so I don't think about it. I feel like these lashes are heavy, that they're not like easily sticking. I don't like how they're on right now. It's also poking me. I feel like I put them on like downways, or going down. The lashes are very pretty, but I don't think I'll ever wear them again actually, because they're a little bit hard to put on and they're kind of annoying when they're on. I feel like they're a little bit heavier than usual, that it's just not sticking properly. Like I feel like this strip is a little bit thicker than I would like them to be, but that's okay. I'll keep it in case I want to wear it again, but I probably don't. So for the last product we're going to use, I got a lip gloss. Weird. I don't even know why I got a lip gloss. I hate lip glosses. Oh, you know why? I know. Because it was on sale. So I got this in the shade Pop, and it was like a pretty pink color, peachy pink shade. Yeah, it's a pretty pink shade, so I'm like, you know what, I want to try it. The reason why I don't like wearing lip glosses is because I don't like the sticky feeling. I feel like this is a no-no. I probably should have gone for a lipstick. I was being cheap, so I went for a lip gloss. So this is the finished look for my one brand makeup challenge or tutorial, whatever you want to call it, using Morphe products only. I'm not sure. I love Morphe products, or at least like the eyeshadow palettes that I've had from before. The foundation I think was actually a pretty good shade match, and I think it's fine. I think I'll probably wear it again. The concealer, I find it was a little bit too close to my skin tone, so I won't use it as a highlighter again. But other than that, I think everything else looks fine except for the lashes. I think the lashes is the only thing that I probably wouldn't wear again or wouldn't recommend. Hopefully you guys like the eye makeup look that I did today. I kind of just went off a whim because I bought this palette because of the blue shades and I thought they looked so pretty. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the red button down there, and also click the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!